Keep it simple. Today I'll share small shifts that help to sharpen your trading. We're building on the same one-page trading plan, but pointing out some shifts that help to make our trading even better. All right, so here we are on the 1 hour time frame for NAS100, and we can see that price is starting to push down here on the 1 hour time frame. Then we'll take a look at the 15-minute. We can see we've got an area of resistance up here, right around the 1 hour mark. Looks like price has stopped right around this area. So what we'll do is get our horizontal ray, and price respected that area last time it was there. So that's our 15-minute and 5-minute area of support. And now what we're doing is looking for a way that our strategy can play out easily. And so what we'll do is get our trend line tool, and we'll see if we can draw a trend line with 3 touches. And we have one here. We've got a couple of touches here, and we have one here, and then one up here. All right, and we can see that price has broken our trend line, but it is not time to enter yet. So we want to be sure that we don't hop into this trade as soon as the trend line is broken. We want to wait for a retest. Okay, that's part of our plan, and we found it to be a more conservative entry, and it's just safer for us overall. We're waiting for the retest. And so let's go ahead and get our path tool and draw the path that we're looking for. And we're expecting price to come back up after this break. We're expecting it to come back up and retest this area and continue downward. All right, and so we'll see if this is what happens. And so what we'll do is move forward and take a look. We're on the 15-minute time frame. Okay, and this is our opening 15-minute candle. All right. Looks like we've got a wick here. That gives us an indication that price may be wanting to go down. We'll take a look at this on the 3-minute time frame and see what's happening. We do get a break of this area of support, and this is a pretty strong candle. And if we look at the 5-minute, we can see that it looks like we're going to be going down. And this is where I entered the trade. Once we got out of this chop and we got a nice strong candle to the downside, that's when I entered. And so this is what the trade looked like. Here's the break. We had a retest during the 15-minute opening, and then we went down to this zone of support. Okay, and here's a look at part of that trade in real time. You can see that price is moving downward. As soon as it left the zone is when I entered, and then moved my stop loss to break even as it was leaving. As soon as it started to look like it was about to push up, you can see that green starting to form. Then we know that it's time to remove some of our trade and go ahead and secure some profit, because we have reached the first level of support. And we will refresh our screen. All right, and then we'll leave a runner. And so we were hoping that price would continue on down to our TP. And so we'll wait and see what happens. And if it doesn't continue to our TP, then we know that it's okay, because we've already moved our stop loss into profit or break even, and we have secured some profit. And this is how our runner looked on the 15-minute time frame. Download the one-page trading plan below. Focus on one shift on your next practice trade. Let us know in the comments which one you choose.